welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to share with you guys a new bag that I got slash wallet, and I just want to kind of unbox it with you and just chat about it. So before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Make sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and also follow me on social media. I'm pretty active on there, so we can chat on. So I was actually really interested. I don't know if you guys, of course you guys have. So you guys know Shay Mitchell's travel line. I think it's called Base. I think it's Base. And she has a really cute sort of travel wallet, and I was looking up videos about it and I thought that it was really cute, but I wanted something else, and I came across this one. So this is the Calpak travel wallet. I think that's the name of it, I'm not sure. And it comes in a little dust bag, which I really do appreciate. And we are going to go ahead and pull this out. And I really like it because it has two sort of handles. So it has a cross-body strap, and then it also has this fur snap. And both of them are removable. So if you don't want one or the other, you can go ahead and do that. So let's start kind of taking the plastic off. So as you can see, this is what mine looks like. I got it in the shade Blush Pink, because pink is my favorite color. So obviously that's the shade that I got, and I think you can hook it on the side. Yeah. So you can hook it like that, and you can just carry it around like that, or you can use the cross-body strap, which is also great. So obviously this is kind of a travel wallet. That is what it's brand as. I am not traveling anywhere, obviously, because of the lockdown, but I just really like it for either my everyday wallet. I have a pretty big bag that I'm carrying right now, and I feel like it's going to be a great wallet. It kind of holds everything, and also I feel like it's going to make such a cute crossbody bag for every day. So I think I would just wear it like that with the crossbody bag, and then the fur accent kind of adds something. It is a faux fur. I'm sorry, I can't speak. It's faux fur, so yeah, don't like attack me. It's not real. And yeah, I really think the quality is there with this. It's so nice. It says Calpak right there, and we can go ahead and open it. So I really like the zippers. Look how nice of a quality that is. So really like thick, nice zippers. I really like that. So we're gonna go ahead and so this is what the inside looks like, and everything inside is actually labeled. I don't know if the camera is going to be able to pick it up, but let's see. So right here it says currency in gold, and that is where you would put your money. And then it also says cards over here, and it has, I believe, 6 slots for cards, which is great. Oh, it has 2 pockets for money. That's awesome. So it has like one pocket here, and it has another pocket here, and then you have your like card slots right here and here. Here is to put a pen, which is so great, especially right now with the virus and everything. I think it's great because sometimes some places where you pick up food, they make you sign the receipt. So I think carrying your own pen is essential right now. And if you guys are familiar with like traveling and stuff, most of the time they make you do a lot of filling out papers on the plane. Well, at least for me. And then you also have a place here for your keys. I'm hoping my car key will fit there, even though my car key is a little bit thick. I'm not sure. I should go get my key to see. All right, you guys, so I actually went real quick to get my key, and I usually carry my key in this like Louis Vuitton key holder, and I'm gonna take it out of here just to see if it fits, because I do have kind of a fat key, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna try to see. I don't think this is gonna fit here. We'll see. I mean, not like a huge thing, so I don't want to put it in through here because I don't want to do, okay, I'll just do it. Dang it. And it does fit, but as you guys can see, it does look a little bit like stuffed. Like it's not like perfectly in there. So I think if I would have, well, it's not bad. It does fit. And it doesn't seem stuffed or anything. So if you guys have a key similar to mine where it's kind of bulky, I feel like my old key wasn't as bulky. Like my old, my other Benz was not that bulky, and now I have like this bulky key. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily put it there. I don't think so. I don't know. And okay, so on this side you have, this is more obviously for traveling. If I'm to wear this on like an everyday basis, I would probably put my receipts there and any kind of like papers that I get. But if you are traveling, this is where like you would put your documents. So your, I would say like your travel ticket, is that what it's called? Your passage ticket, I don't know. And over here it says passport, so this is where you would essentially put your passport in. So yeah, like I said, I'm definitely going to be using this when I travel. I think it's so amazing and cute, but I did actually buy it just to wear it on an everyday basis. I just really like how it looks like with the strap and then the crossbody. So I'm kind of going to put the crossbody to see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I think that's the way that I would carry it. I almost wish, I will say, that one of these was like up here, so it'd be more like this part of the fur would be more like, I don't know, just like more symmetric. But yeah, that's the way that I would potentially carry it. Let me like show you guys. I'm gonna fall. This is kind of the way that I would want to wear it. And you also do have a compartment in the back, which I don't know what you would put there. I wouldn't put my phone in here. I don't think my phone would fit here. Absolutely, there's no way. But I think you could put receipts. I don't know really. And I have seen in some videos that your phone does fit, so let's try that out, you guys. So I have the iPhone 10 Pro Max, so it is like the biggest one. So I have seen videos of girls popping it in, so I'm pretty confident it's going to fit, but we need to do like our own testing around here. So it does fit. I don't think it would fit if my key was in here though, probably not, but it does fit. I actually really like this. This is adorable. Yeah, you guys, I'm totally gonna be rocking this bag even though I'm not traveling. It's just gonna become my everyday bag, at least for now, because I think it's adorable and it's so compact. It's so nice. You have everything you could need. I mean, I don't carry makeup with me or anything, so it's like perfect. I mean, maybe not a work bag because I do like need to carry a lot of things, but if I'm like on the go just to go shopping, to Starbucks, get some coffee, I mean, something quick, this would probably be the bag for me. And I think it's like a really cute date bag as well. Like imagine you have a date, just kind of take the crossbody off and you just wear it like that, like in the crook of your arm. Do you guys see that? That is adorable. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what I think about this wallet and just do kind of a mini review. If you guys are thinking about getting it, it is $75 on the Calpak website. You can get it from Nordstrom, I believe. I didn't. I got it from Calpak. Shipping was really quickly from Calpak, but my UPS man was just, he's not a fun person, and UPS was really horrible, but Calpak gave me a great service, so I would definitely recommend it. I would say that the Shea Mitchell Bay's travel wallet is like half the price of this one, but I do think this is like just cuter in style. Oh, and you have another pocket here. What? You literally, I'm just finding this out. Okay, wow, this has like a lot of compartments. I wonder what you can put in here. your phone kind of fits, but I wouldn't put it in there because I feel like it would stretch it. I don't know, what could you put here? Like gum, maybe? I don't know. I think it's really like towards more like document type stuff, which is obviously because it's a travel wallet. But yeah, I think it's adorable. So yeah, like I said, the Shay Mitchell one is half the price. So if you want to save yourself some money, then I will link the Shay Mitchell one down below. That one I believe is $38, but it doesn't have the fur. It doesn't have the fur. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next week with my next one. Bye. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.